Welcome back, guys. As you know, PU Prime are my go-to broker. They have the best spreads, they have the most amount of instruments to trade, and they reliably pay out. But today I'm going to be talking to you specifically about a promotion that they have got going on. We'll be talking about their copy trading contest and the perks and bonuses that you can get for participating. So we're going to head over to the website now and I'm going to show you how to get going. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. So as you can see, guys, we are now on the PU Prime homepage. As with everything, obviously, if you haven't joined, join now, get started. They have over 300,000 active clients globally and they are a regulated broker. To get started with the copy trading competition, though, you'll want to head up to company here and click the copy trading competition in the promotion section. This will take you over to this page, which we're going to run through now. Now, to show you a little bit about what the prize is, you'll obviously be trading for a pool of 8,000 USD. And to do this, you need to rank in the top for the highest lots traded and the best profit rates all getting picked in the weekly draw. Now, this promotion does run from the 5th of May to the 30th of May, so you still have time to get involved and to grab that $8,000 prize. To get going, obviously just click start now, but we're just going to run through a little bit more. In my previous videos, I have shown you how to get linked in to the copy trading mechanics. Now, this is a massive thing. It's something that I use myself, and it basically allows you to copy experienced traders, see their analysis, and make profits with their profits. It's such an easy thing to do, and it is so good to make money on the side. Or if you're looking to make a full-time wage, it is very easy to do that as well. Now, as you can see here, there are two ways to win. So the top performing signal providers will be rewarded for the highest trading volume and the best profit rate, while weekly lucky draws give both signal providers and copiers the chance to earn bonuses through this copy trading competition. So looking down here, you can see some of the bonuses and the cash that you can make. So if you finish first, you get $1,000 for the highest lots traded or the highest profit percentage. Finishing second, $800. Finishing third, $600, fourth, $400, and ranking fifth gives you $200. Now, the weekly draw. Now, each week, 5 signal providers and 5 copiers will be randomly selected to receive $50 cash reward, just for participating. So even if you don't think that you can win, it's still worth participating just to win the $50. Now, how to participate? All you need to do is open a live account. You need to start trading or start copying, and then you can claim your share of that $8,000. Now, why do you want to join the PU copy trading competition? Now, you can either step into the spotlight or you can follow the leaders. Either way, you're in for the running, earn cash prizes, boost your trading game, and join a global contest that rewards every move. You can win real cash, you can learn and earn at the same time, there's no experience needed, or if you are a decent trader, you can get recognized for the skill that you have. Moving down a little bit, you can see that you can just get start copy trading now, or if you're not sure how copy trading works, you can download our easy to follow copy trading guide and start trading with confidence. But once you're happy with this, guys, go ahead, click start copy trading now, sign up and get moving on the cash that you could win. As you can see, guys, that was super simple to get going and to get set up. So all the links that you need are in the description below. So go ahead, click those and then click the like, click the subscribe and click the bell so you can get alerted on my next videos regarding PU Prime.